Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A32 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to the general management. Here we have to tap on the reset option, and as you can see on the second position we've got the option we are looking for, so let's tap on it, and now your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings, including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you're ready, tap on reset settings. We have to confirm the whole step with the pattern. And now your device is telling you that again all the network settings will be reset and that this action cannot be undone. So if you're ready, tap on reset, and as you can see it's quite a quick operation. Network settings have been reset successfully. So well, that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Samsung Galaxy A32. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.